Good morning and hello. Welcome to week 16. This is language and this is teacher Abby. Today in language, we are going to study phonics again, right? But luckily, the letters we're going to study today, we have already learned about them in phonics. Now, what letters are we going to study? As you can see on your screen, we have letter G, letter H, and letter I. All right. So without further wasting time, let's go to the first letter, which is letter G. Okay, so remember G has two sounds. G has the G sound, and G also has the J sound. G as in girl, J as in gym. Okay, so you have to remember that. But I think for today, they're going to concentrate more on the hard G sound. The hard G sound, this one, the G. All right, so let's begin. I'll play and then you can repeat.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
G, G, goat,
Goat. Let me play for you the song. Try and follow the song. This is a goat. G, G, goat. This is a goat. G, G, G. Ready? All right.
3. Listen. Sing along.
This is a goat. G, G, goat. This is a goat. G, G, G. This is a goat. G, G, goat. This is a goat. G, G, G.
Wonderful. So that is the G, G. As you can hear, there is no J. That is for pattern 2. Let's go to our next letter. In our next letter, we have H.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
Hop,
Hop. Okay. Now, when I'm teaching you live, I'm going to show you another game.
3. Listen. Sing along.
I can hop. Hop. I can hop. I can hop. Hop. I can hop.
Da, 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 da. As you can see, there's a number 4, but I'm not playing the number 4 because as we play, this is a classroom game. I need to see people doing the action that the computer is saying. So that will be in your next class. Okay, our last letter today is I. Do you remember the I sound? Let's see.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
I, I. Itchy,
Itchy, when you're itchy, like when you don't take a bath and then you have stuff everywhere. You see the things on this woman here? Here. Her hair is itchy. Her hair is itchy. Let's go to the song.
3. Listen. Sing along.
I am itchy. Itchy. I am itchy. I. I am itchy. Itchy. I am itchy.
Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Right, so let's go to the last game, the last part of the game. This one is an exercise. Circle the correct beginning sound. Look at number 1. It's a goat, but do we circle H or do we circle G? Number 2 is itchy. Do we circle G or do we circle I? Number 3 is hop. Do we circle I or do we circle H? Okay. So 1, goat. 2, itchy. 3, hop. I will give you these answers in the live teaching class. Let's go to the last part and wind up this lesson. In the next part, write the correct beginning sounds. Can you see? Write the correct beginning sound. Number 1, itchy. What letters do we write? Number 2, hop. Number 3, got. Okay. Okay. All right, I guess we are going to stop here today. We are going to stop here and then see you next time.